Stop chasing tiny commissions. What if your first $1,000 online came from just one or two partners? Most affiliate programs pay small amounts, requiring dozens of sales just to see real income. That's why serious marketers are moving to Exodus Elite. Instead of earning tiny signups, you can earn $100, $250, $500, even $1,000 commissions. Here is the simple math. If two partners join at the $500 level, that is $1,000 earned. If even one partner joins at the $1,000 level, you just hit your first $1,000 month. Serious members start higher, making progress much faster. It's not about recruiting hundreds, it's about a few aligned partners. If you are ready to see how this works step by step, click the link and see how it works on the next page. Your first $1,000 month may be much closer than you think. Join us today